Hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Earnings Express with me, Nandita Khemka. We are taking stock of the IT earnings that have trickled in as we speak. Infosys reported numbers just a while ago, minutes ago in fact, and we had Wipro also reporting numbers. But let's take stock of Infosys first. The profit is above estimates at 7,365 crore rupees, vis-a-vis CNBC TV18 estimate of 7,266 crore rupees or thereabouts. In terms of rupee revenue, it's come in at 44,490 crores vis-a-vis an expectation of 44,140 crore or thereabouts. So there as well, it's been a beat on estimates. In terms of margins, slightly below at 21% vis-a-vis a poll of 21.3%. In terms of dollar revenues, they have come in at 5,076, a tad higher than what the street was estimating at 5,047 crore rupees or thereabouts. And constant currency revenue growth, that's been fairly strong. It has topped 2%. It's at 2.2% vis-a-vis estimates of 1.8%. So that's come as a positive surprise. In terms of guidance as well, they have raised the lower end of their guidance to minus 0.5% to 1.5%. In fact, no, that was for Wipro. For Infosys, the lower end of the guidance has been raised to 2%, and it's at 2 to 3% now. So that's how they have tweaked their guidance vis-a-vis in Wipro, which has of course again tweaked its lower end of the guidance. But large deal contract that stands at $3.1 billion. So all in all, numbers look fairly okay, both in terms of net profit and revenue. Constant currency revenue growth has been a beat, margins slightly below, and deal wins seem to be pretty strong at $3.1 billion. Last quarter as well, deals were fairly strong. Let's go across to Mayuresh then and get his reaction to the numbers first. Mayuresh, great to have you on the show. Constant currency revenue growth of 2.2%, a positive surprise, and will the street be happy with the guidance tweak as well?
Afternoon, Nandita. I think more particular with the guidance, because I think that is where I think the softness for IT companies were primarily supposed to be. So I think the revision in guidance is something that the street will take with both hands. And let's not forget, I think the constant currency performance of Infosys is in line with estimates a tad bit better. In fact, the TCV is at $3.1 billion, where they've clearly put out in their statement that 67% of these TCVs are all net new clients, which means they are adding on to new clientele in terms of their overall order book. And if they are able to execute well, I think the margin performance should be relatively better as we head into the next few quarters. So yeah, I think a relatively better set of numbers, and the guidance will give hope for the street as far as Infosys is concerned.
All right, guidance will give hope, but very quickly, I think the press conference has started very quickly. In 30 seconds, Ashutosh, I want to bring on board your views as well on Infosys. What is your take?
Surely, upgrade in the guidance is a good thing, and on a margin front, if suppose there is some miss, we need to take care that in the second half, probably when the currency and other things play out fully, they will be able to recover part of it. Main thing is that deal wins are remain very healthy for the company in this quarter too, and that's why compared to the market street expectation, it was good result.
All right. Okay. On that note, the management is speaking. CEO Salil Parekh. Let's cut across to them and listen into what they have to say about the future outlook as well.